Steph's Hairstyles for Girls.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
We are going to do a Dutch hairstyle for you today. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. We'd love it if you would share, like, and subscribe. We will get started. Alright, so I am going to have her head tilted back. When I'm doing braids, and on almost any time I'm doing her hair, it's always really good to have her hair damp because that helps with the flyaways and it helps keep the style in better. And I'm just going to take a section up here with your fingers or with a comb, whatever you want to do. And I'm just going to straighten it out. I'm going to use my two fingers and split it into three. So for an inside out or a Dutch braid, you're always going to be going under, and that's what's going to make it pop out of the head. So I'm holding my hands kind of like this, and I'm going to take this right side and I'm going to go under and then grab it from the top up here, and now I'm going to put this left side and flip it under and grab it on this side. And I'm going to put my hands back. Okay, so I'm kind of always trying to hold it like this. Okay, so I'm going to do, I have my three, I have all of it in this side, and then I can work with these other fingers if I want to hold this middle section. So I have, it's harder to see when you have your fingers in the way. So we have one, and we have one in the middle, and they have one on the left. So I'm gonna grab some more hair over here. I'm holding all of it, my pinky, my middle finger, and my first finger, all on my left hand. I'm gonna get some hair over here and I'm gonna add it to this top one. Oh, I just dropped it. I'm gonna add it to this top one and then try to straighten it out and make it look nice. I can use it with just my fingers, or I can use a comb. Put your head down, please. Yeah. Alright, and then I'm going to put it all in this hand. Grab that middle piece with the first finger and I'm going to put it underneath. And I had these fingers grab it. And I always want to pull it tight. So now I have it in my right hand, have one of them. I'm going to put the middle section in my middle finger, and I'm going to hold this left piece with my first finger. I'm going to get some more hair over here. Again, make it look nice. So now I've got that section together. I'm going to use my left hand and grab all of it. I'm going to use my middle finger on my left hand to grab the middle piece, and I'm going to twist my wrist over so that left piece went underneath. I'm going to grab it. Alright, so now I have my whole hand has this left side. My middle finger has the middle piece, and then my left pointer finger is going to grab this piece that's going to get some hair added to it. I'm just going to grab some over here, make it look nice. I'm going to grab all of it for this right piece in my right hand. I'm going to grab the middle piece with this middle finger, and I'm going to twist my hand over underneath it. That's what's going to make it pop. Grab it all with my right hand. Grab the middle piece with my middle finger. Grab the left piece with my pointer finger. Now this hand is completely free to pick up more hair. I'm going to pick up more hair. Make it look nice, and I'm putting it all in that first finger because it's all going together. Alright, and now I'm going to grab all of the hair I want together in my left hand. I'm going to take this middle finger, grab the middle piece, and I'm going to twist it that left side underneath that middle piece. All of it, middle pointer. Pick up some more hair, add it to that pointer. Straighten it out. I'm going to grab all of that pointer piece with my right hand. I'm going to grab the middle piece that I'm going to go under with my middle finger. I'm going to twist under. I'm going to grab it and then rearrange my hands again. Hold with all of it with my middle finger and then my pointer. And I'm going to grab more hair. And that's just what you're going to do. The same thing over and over and over. Remember, this is, a Dutch braid is, it comes out of the hair and you make it by going underneath the braid. So I'm just going to continue doing this all the way down. And when you get to the spot where you don't have any more hair to add in, you just do a regular braid that you're going underneath for the rest of the way down. Now you can always go back and do this with your comb to help anything that didn't get caught originally. And you can also, if you want to make it look even bigger and fuller, you can also pancake it out so that it looks bigger. And there we go. There is our Dutch braid.